It is Wednesday, April 23rd, 2014. Here is more progress on the construction of the new bridge over the St.Croix River. They completed the piers above the water level sometime through the winter. Of course, they're working on that there and that one there behind the ugly old houseboat. The Wisconsin side, the Wisconsin DOT started working on construction. I believe it was late March. There will be an overpass. The bridge over the river will meet the top of the bluff on the Wisconsin side, and will be over 100 feet above the water, as I have been told. This will be very welcome to Stillwater, as anybody who drives through Stillwater into Wisconsin on their way home gets stuck at a 1-mile backup every single day. Traffic backs up from the old Stillwater Bridge, typically about a mile up to the entrance at Sunnyside Marina. And there it is. More work in the bridge. I'll try and take some more video and zoom it in.